Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a mouth-watering dish that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Tuna patties. Let's dive right in. To start off, grab yourself a large mixing bowl. We're going to add in 2 cans of drained tuna. Next up, crack in 2 eggs. These will help bind everything together and give our patties a nice texture. Now, let's add some freshness and crunch with some spring onions. Season our mixture with salt, black pepper, thyme, and chili flakes. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Let's give everything a good mix until it's well combined. You want all those flavors to marry together beautifully. Alright, our mixture is looking fantastic. In a large pan over medium heat, drizzle in some olive oil. It's time to shape them into patties. I'm using an ice cream scoop to portion out the mixture, but you can use your hands if you prefer. Just make sure to compact them slightly to ensure they hold their shape. We're going to cook them for about 5 minutes on each side or until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, crispy, flavorful tuna patties ready to be devoured. Serve them up with a side salad or your favorite dipping sauce for a complete meal. I hope you give this recipe a try in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heavenly recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!